This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting now. Sign in with an administrator account so you can change app controls. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the blocked file. Right-click it and choose Properties. If you see an Unblock checkbox near Security, check it and apply. This removes the file mark. Once done, try to run the app to retrigger the Smart Screen decision and capture the exact error wording for the next steps. When Smart Screen appears, click More Info and choose Run Anyway if you trust the publisher. This is the fastest override. If that option is missing, open Windows Security, go to App and Browser Control, and inspect reputation-based protection settings. You can temporarily set Check Apps and Files to Warn instead of Block to allow the installer. Make sure to reapply stricter settings after installation to maintain protection. As an administrator, you can use Group Policy Editor under Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Microsoft Edge, or Windows Defender Smartscreen to change behavior, or run PowerShell to add publisher certificates to the trusted root store. Once changes are applied, restart Explorer or sign out and in. If the app still fails, open Event Viewer to examine application and system logs for Smart Screen entries. Then download a verified copy of the app and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.